I'm waiting here, guys. So I'm waiting here thinking this girl is in the loo. And she's just sitting outside. I don't understand. I honestly don't understand why. Why are you sitting there? There's somebody in the inside. So what's happening? Hmm? Let's go.
What you feel like? What you feel like? What you feel like? What you feel like?
Silence, please. She's beautiful. Wait. Look at this. I don't know what this is. Can you eat this? Looks like small tomatoes or something. It doesn't look like they're edible because there are animals here. If they were edible, animals were going to eat this. So I don't know what this is. Don't understand what this is. Look how beautiful this stone is. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. So hiking here is just a normal walk, but it's a long walk. So yeah. There's a lot of termites and stuff. Termites homes. Red soil. They say this is a common hookthorn. This one. This type. This one. You know it, man. Common hookthorn. Zvine ruvidza uri meni ndichikwalwa zvone. Ndichikwalwa. Resting. So we changed the route because we can see if we go that route, we're going back. We're not tired yet. You know us, hardcore. We're not tired. So we are just turning, getting ourselves lost because we want. So this one is it's like a community, surrounded by the community, not far from homes. So people who live by can just come and walk around. Wow. Just imagine. So today we are not making noise because we don't want to chase away the animals that we want to see. So we're going to keep our cool for that reason. We saw some springboks, some penelopes. Now we saw that they came this side. We're trying to get hold of them so that we can have a closer look, you know. So we're going to keep our cool. Look at this beautiful tree. The tree is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Ngamanda. It's like a garden of God. Eden. So beautiful. These trees. You know, I don't know if it happens to anyone or only me, but sometimes I have these places where if I close my eyes, I think about them. You know, it's like there's like a sunset or something. This is ideal. We decided not to disturb the animals. We are back to the route. Apologies to all the animals in the world for invading your spaces. Oh, but now we go into the river to see the river a little bit more. So now we are here with our buddy tortoise. Hey buddy, how are you? Chibode? Chibode? Buddy's eating. Buddy's eating. That is so cool. Turwanga karatene.
Charity.
Mm-mm.
Did the watch body and just put my house?
Chipumura chone vele. Say hi to my people.
Hello.
Hi guys. Bye bye. Chapane. Guys, our friend doesn't want to leave us. He's following us. Oh my gosh. Our friend is following us. You know what? Animals need love too. It seems like the tortoise is enjoying our company. Honestly. Because we were like walking away from there. And then, boom, behind us. Tortoise is here. Oh my gosh. Hey buddy. You need to go back. You can't go up here. You need to go closer to the water, buddy. Bye-bye. You can go back now, okay? Oh, this is so sweet, guys.